Hello there. Today we are back in Wrexham. We are giving you an update on where these new floodlights are up to. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, nearly there. They're nearly there. Okay, and we will be starting to bring you the regular update from when they start building the new cop stand. Work on that begins on the 1st of June this year, so we'll be here to see it take off. Hey, if you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, like the videos, share them with your friends, and if you've got any comments, leave them in the section below. Okay, we're going to get straight into this video, nice and short and sweet. Just take a little look at it from the ground. There you go. So we've got up in the air and we've took a little look at the new floodlights. So take care, and we will see you at the 1st of June. Have a great day.